The main reason phones become slow is not storage, it's apps running in the background without your permission. After doing these 4 things I'm going to show you in this video, you'll notice faster app opening, less battery drain, less heating, smoother performance. Let's get started. 1. Auto start or background running apps. Big problem. Many apps start themselves automatically when you turn on your phone. This causes slow performance, battery drain, phone heating. How to fix it? Go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy or App Management. Look for Auto Start or Startup Manager or Open Phone Master or Security App. Then, turn off Auto Start for apps like Facebook, Instagram, Boomplay, games, shopping apps. Leave on only important ones. 2. Disable usage access for unnecessary apps. Some apps secretly monitor everything you do. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Apps Management. Tap Special App Access. Tap Usage Access. Remove access from apps that don't need it. Select Don't Allow. 3. Turn off ads personalization. Hidden trick. Reduces lag plus stops tracking. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down to Google. Tap All Services. Scroll to Ads and tap on it. Reset Advertising ID. And turn on Delete Advertising ID or opt out. 4. Clear Hidden Cache Instant Speed Boost. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Storage. Clean up cached data. Or use Phone Master Cleaner. That's all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.